How to create a listing on Airbnb. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's guide, we are going to provide you with a very clear step-by-step whether you're using the application or the website, so you can follow out this method for that. So open up the Airbnb application or go to airbnb.com, and once you are there, we can log in into our Airbnb account or create one if you don't have it yet. Now, once we do so on the application, if you're using the application, we can go to our profile option in the bottom right and tap on it. And if you're a host, you can look out for create a listing option. Something like this. So I can look out for this option called create a listing and tap on it. Once we tap on it, here we'll be finding option like Airbnb will guide you through questions like what kind of place it is, what will guests have, location, etc. So first of all, you can tell them about your place, tap on get started for that. And once you tap on get started, you can follow up the process. So we can tap on next and start up the process. So such as what of these best describes your place, you can select it. If it's a house, flat, apartment, etc., and tap on next. After that, what kind of place will guest have? An entire place, a room, a shared room in a hostel, etc. You can select one. After that, tap on next. Now, once it is done, the next process is once you tap on next, you need to enter up your address. So in this box right above, you can just go and enter up your address, your location, your city, area, etc. Just go and enter it up in this box. And you will be finding this section. You can confirm up your address. You need to enter up your flat, floor, etc. number, your street address, your postcode, etc. And you can even turn on this option called show your specific location and tap on looks good. After that, you can add in certain details such as your number of guests, your bedroom, beds, bathrooms, etc., your amenities, what you have such as Wi-Fi, kitchen, AC, washing machine, etc., and add it up. After that, you can even add up pictures, and more photos is goes to more trust plus more bookings. You can just go and set up your price, etc., and choose your booking settings and apply it up. Once it is done, you can review everything and publish it out, and your listing is now live. You can just go and do so. You can start out with a very competitive price to get your first reviews and then respond quickly to messages and keep your house rules very clear and simple. And that way, your listing has been created for your Airbnb application. And that's it. So you may follow this method for that in order to do so. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.